Hi guys, I'm Juan here at Up the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. I am so excited because today I have a very special Loungefly from Pink a la Mode. Now this Loungefly was very controversial for no reason. I'll go ahead and get into that later. But first, I want to share these pins that I got. This is from One Vanderbilt, the Summit. As you saw, I did get a chance to go for Pride. And every time I go to a New York City attraction, whether it be a viewing deck or a museum, I always check to see if they have a pin. And this one is here, the Summit. This is the outline of the building itself. And it says One Vanderbilt across the way. Very simple, very modern, and I just like it. So I'm so glad I was able to pick this up. Next is the newest addition to the Classics book series. Here I have the Jungle Book. I am almost finished completing this collection. You can see the inside here has a great story. These are just so wonderful. This hinge is actually pretty sturdy. Like it's like hard to even close. Look at it, it's already messed up the box. These are so beautiful. I'm so excited to finally be one step closer to finishing this set. They're gonna look so beautiful all together. Okay, here it is. And it's Tamatoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It smells so clean and fresh. Let me tell you, this is much more beautiful in person, in hand. This is, if you love cosplay Loungeflies and if you love Moana, I think you definitely need this part of your collection. Look at this detail, the shining portion you have here. Oh, this is wonderful. This is so great. I like how it's like matted down so it's not going to flake off, but it is still like, very sensitive. You don't want to, touch the sequin too much. And then his teeth. Look at his teeth with the pearls. Talk about pearly whites. And you do have these little sparkly things here. And then this is look at that. This gorgeous zipper pull. Look at the detail in that. I love that. Oh my gosh. This is next level gorgeousness. I love that his claws do move. So they open up. Oh my gosh, how it's so great. Look at it go. How far did they go up? Shining. So this is the front pocket. This beautiful. This is like a shimmery ombre effect. I don't think see how you can see it shimmer there from the light. Oh my gosh, this is. Front pocket is essentially useless because I think if you open it, the zipper pull is going to graze against the pearls, and we don't want that. But you can see that is a useless front pocket. But I am curious. Hold on. Very carefully. Oh my gosh. This is so scary. No. Okay. I was going to see if his face continued, but it doesn't. There's no way you can even see that, but so sensitive. You have to be sensitive with this. Oh my gosh, let me put this down. Here we go. Gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh my gosh, so sensitive. It's so sensitive. But look at his eyes. Nice embellishment. And then you have here is Maui's hook that's stuck to his back. Oh my gosh. And I love these little gold outlines of other shells. Oh my gosh. It's the bottom. Okay. On the sides here, you have, you can see that beautiful ombre shimmer. This is gorgeous. This is not what you were seeing in pictures. Like, this is not pictures, we're not doing it justice because they cannot show you the slide effect. It does have gold hardware. And then here is the beautiful plaque here. It says Disney Loungefly in this gorgeous purple. So, deep, rich color. Oh my gosh. So yes, it does have functioning side pockets. And on the back, you just see him there. Ah, it's so freaking cute. Love it. That shimmer just goes all the way around. Oh, this is such a beautiful bag. It's gonna look so great next to my tapiri. That's the lining there, gorge. And it has my least favorite pocket, but it's functional. Functional. My homegirl Joss was able to get this bag as well, and she did some customized embellishments on the front of this to be a little more sparkly. You definitely have that option. I don't have talent for all that, so essentially I'm just gonna accept him as is. Even as is, he's just so beautiful, and I just think that this was well worth it, well worth the wait. This is when I come to the controversy part. People were just so upset that this was taking forever, but people, you have to understand there was a pandemic happening when they were planning for this bag to be released. Okay, so if you're one of those people that were commenting nasty comments on Pink a la Mode's website over this bag, check yourself, Linda, because guess what? You're privileged. If this is all you can worry about, first world problems, that you didn't get this bag on time, you gotta reorganize your priorities, honey. Reorganize them, because as much as gorgeous this is, it's not worth besmirching another company over things that they cannot control of, okay? Not me defending Pink a la Mode so hard. But it isn't a problem, okay? It's like things happen. Did you get this bag? I have not seen many people actually review this bag, or I don't think I've been looking hard enough. But please let me know down in the comments if you plan on getting this bag. Do you like Moana? Do you like Tamatoa? Please let me know. Please remember to be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.